I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few deaths. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of death and in fear.
If you try, you just might get a little bit in trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. If you try, you just might get a little bit in trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me
coming. My energy is next level, so damn, you better be careful. I got an angel and devil. He steps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Bulldozer dengan
here. The sound of death and in fear.